Nestled in the heart of the Balkan Peninsula, North Macedonia is a landlocked country brimming with scenic beauty. This often overlooked gem is a treasure trove of natural wonders and cultural riches, waiting to be explored by those who seek the road less traveled. Often overlooked, this small nation boasts a diverse landscape of towering mountains, shimmering lakes, and verdant valleys. The country's varied topography offers a unique blend of natural beauty that is both captivating and serene, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. From the snow-capped peaks of the Shar Mountains to the tranquil shores of Lake Ohrid, Macedonia offers a feast for the eyes and a sanctuary for nature lovers. The Shar Mountains, with their rugged terrain and pristine snow, are a haven for hikers and winter sports enthusiasts. Meanwhile, Lake Ohrid, one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes, provides a peaceful retreat with its crystal-clear waters and picturesque surroundings. With a rich history and vibrant culture, Macedonia is a destination waiting to be discovered. The country is home to numerous historical sites, from ancient ruins to medieval monasteries, each telling a story of its storied past. The local traditions and customs, passed down through generations, add to the country's unique charm and allure. So, pack your bags and join us as we embark on a journey through some of Macedonia's most breathtaking scenic areas. From the lush forests and rolling hills to the serene lakes and majestic mountains, every corner of this country offers something new and exciting to discover. Macedonia's beauty lies in its unspoiled nature and authentic charm. The countryside, with its traditional villages and untouched landscapes, offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life. Here, you can experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people, who are always eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Whether you seek adventure in the great outdoors or tranquility by the lake, Macedonia has something to offer every traveler. The country's diverse terrain provides endless opportunities for outdoor activities, from hiking and biking to fishing and boating. And for those who prefer a more relaxed pace, the tranquil lakeside views and peaceful countryside are perfect for unwinding and soaking in the natural beauty. Let's dive into the specific areas that make this country a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. From the breathtaking vistas of Mavrovo National Park to the enchanting beauty of Pelister National Park, Macedonia's natural wonders are sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. So come along and discover the hidden gem that is Macedonia. Our first stop takes us to Lake Ohrid, often referred to as the Pearl of the Balkans. This stunning lake is a true gem, nestled in the heart of the Balkans, offering a serene and picturesque escape for travelers and nature enthusiasts alike. This ancient lake, shared between Macedonia and Albania, is one of Europe's oldest and deepest. With a history that spans millions of years, Lake Ohrid has witnessed countless civilizations rise and fall along its shores. Its crystal-clear waters, reflecting the surrounding mountains, create a scene of breathtaking beauty. The clarity of the water is so remarkable that you can see the lakebed even at great depths, making it a paradise for divers and swimmers. The lake is home to a unique ecosystem, with over 200 endemic species of plants and animals. This biodiversity makes Lake Ohrid a living laboratory for scientists and a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Take a boat trip to explore its hidden coves and admire the colorful Ohrid trout, a species found only in Lake Ohrid. These boat trips offer a unique perspective of the lake's beauty and provide an opportunity to discover its many secrets. The tranquility of the lake and its surroundings offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking to relax on the shore, hike in the nearby mountains, or simply enjoy the peaceful ambiance, Lake Ohrid is the ideal destination for a rejuvenating retreat. Next, we venture into the rugged beauty of Mavrovo National Park, Macedonia's largest national park. Dominated by the majestic Mount Korab, the highest peak in Macedonia, the park is a paradise for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. Explore its dense forests, home to bears, wolves, and lynx, and discover hidden waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs. The park also boasts the stunning Mavrovo Lake, an artificial lake created by a dam, offering picturesque views and opportunities for kayaking and fishing. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer cliffs and the emerald green waters of Matka Canyon. Located just a short drive from Skopje, the capital city, Matka Canyon is a true natural wonder. Embark on a boat trip through the canyon, marveling at the vertical rock faces that rise dramatically from the water. Explore the canyon's many caves, some of which contain ancient cave paintings dating back to the Neolithic period. For the adventurous, rock climbing and kayaking opportunities abound here. Section 5. Pelister National Park, home to ancient pines and glacial lakes. Our journey continues to Pelister National Park, renowned for its unique Mollica pine trees, some of which are over 1,000 years old. These ancient trees, with their distinctive umbrella-shaped crowns, create a surreal and enchanting landscape. Hike to the park's glacial lakes, known as Pelister's Eyes, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. The park is also home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, wild boar, and the elusive Balkan lynx. Section 6. Galicica National Park, panoramic views and diverse landscapes. Situated between Lake Ohrid and Lake Prespa, Galicica National Park offers breathtaking views of both lakes and the surrounding mountains. Hike through its diverse landscapes, from rocky peaks to lush meadows, and discover hidden monasteries and ancient ruins. The park is a haven for birdwatchers, with over 200 bird species recorded, including the rare Dalmatian pelican. Keep an eye out for the park's resident chamois, a type of goat antelope that gracefully navigates the steep slopes. Section 7. The City of Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No trip to Macedonia is complete without a visit to the charming city of Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Perched on the shores of Lake Ohrid, the city is a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Explore its cobblestone streets, lined with traditional houses and ancient churches adorned with Byzantine frescoes. Visit the ancient theater of Ohrid, dating back to the Hellenistic period, and enjoy a performance with stunning lake views. Section 8. The Ancient City of Skopje, a journey back in time. Step back in time at the ancient city of Skopje, once a thriving Roman city located at a strategic crossroads. Explore the well-preserved ruins of this once grand city, including a Roman theater, a palace, and intricate mosaics. Skopje offers a glimpse into the region's rich history and the legacy of the Roman Empire. Imagine the bustling life of this ancient city as you wander through its ruins and marvel at the architectural prowess of the Romans. Section 9. Beyond the Scenery, Macedonian Culture and Hospitality. Macedonia's beauty extends beyond its natural wonders. The country is known for its warm hospitality, delicious cuisine, and rich cultural heritage. Indulge in traditional Macedonian dishes, such as tavche gravche, baked beans, and ivar, roasted red pepper relish. Experience the warmth of the Macedonian people, eager to share their culture and traditions with visitors. Attend a local festival, listen to traditional Macedonian music, and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of this fascinating country. Section 10. Explore the world. What's your next adventure? Imagine yourself embarking on a journey to a place where every corner holds a new surprise. From the tranquil shores of Lake Ohrid, where the water glistens under the sun and people find peace in its serene environment, to the towering peaks of the Shar Mountains, where the panoramic views take your breath away and the air is crisp and refreshing, Macedonia offers a diverse range of scenic wonders. This hidden gem in the heart of the Balkans is waiting to be discovered. Its landscapes are a blend of untouched beauty and rich history, offering a unique experience for every traveler. What breathtaking destination will you explore next? Will it be the ancient ruins, the vibrant cities, or the tranquil countryside? Share your travel dreams in the comments below. We love hearing about your adventures and aspirations. And let us know what other corners of the world you'd like us to uncover. Your suggestions help us bring you the most exciting travel content. If you enjoyed this virtual journey through Macedonia's scenic beauty, imagine what it would be like to experience it in person. Don't forget to like this post. Your engagement helps us reach more travel enthusiasts like you, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. We have so many more adventures to share with you. Happy travels!